Hi Poppies! So for today's video I am going to be doing a Trendywigs review on my synthetic wig I bought, and I'm also going to be doing a tutorial on how to properly put on your lace front. Properly, I mean this is just how I do it. It's probably not right, but I mean it works. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, so I ordered my wig on Black Friday, which was the 23rd of November, and it's December 10th. And I just got my wig, but here it is. I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm gonna unbox it and I'm gonna show like everything that comes in it. Oh my god, I can't wait to open it. I've been waiting so long. Okay, here it goes. Okay, so this is the box. This is how it comes. Ready? Oh my god, I'm so excited. Ready? Oh my god. It's so pretty. Oh my god. Wow. It's so pretty. Alright, don't worry, I'm going to take it out, but I just want to explain everything. Okay, so it comes with care instructions, 2 wig caps, black and a beige one. And I'm really thrown right now because when I first ordered my white wig from this company, it gave me 8 bobby pins. And I'm pretty sure it was supposed to come with bobby pins. Sorry, I'm so excited. I love wigs. I already love her. But you need to make sure, like, if you wanted to return it, you cannot. Oh my god, I'm so excited. You cannot tear off the lace. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. There are clips on the inside, and like you can adjust the straps to like make it tighter so it fits better. I put it on the tightest one. See? Just like that. Then there's also like little, what are these, like barrette things that you could like stick in your actual hair for it to have more support. I'm also confused because the first time I ordered a Trendywigs thing, it came with a brush, and I didn't get one. Trendywigs, you're disappointing me. I hype you up all the time. So first thing you're going to need is got to be glued. I recommend this 100% because it is honestly so good and it will hold down your wig for the whole night. And it's really not that expensive. It's only like $7 or $8 for a bottle, and it will last you a long time. This is 6 ounces. I use a toothbrush to put the gel down because when I go like this, it like puts it in there better. So you obviously need a wig cap. This is how you put it on. It's like this. You put it on like a headband, and then this side stays down. Go like this. Then I flip my head over, and I put it on like that. I look so good, wow. Go on. There we go. And you want to try to make your hair as flat as you can, like in the back, so that when you do put the wig on, there's no bumps. So like right here, it feels as flat as I can get it. Okay. And now I like to put some makeup on around my forehead here. I usually do my makeup like after I put the wig on, and you'll see. Okay. Also need a comb with a rat tail. Now I'm just gonna put it on real quick to see where I'm gonna be putting the glue. I mean gel. I literally call it glue because it's literally glue, I promise you. Okay, make sure that it's tight. looks so good. The fuck? I need to do this hair. So I just put this like that. Because you don't want to put it back on again. I look like a mess right now, but I promise at the end of the video I'm going to look snatched. Okay. I don't know why I just didn't put on the toothbrush. I'm an idiot. So, just go like this. The more you put on, obviously, the better it's going to stay. There's probably like people that wear wigs like all the time and they're probably like, what is this bitch doing? But I promise what I do stays on. Make sure you get down here too. Do you see? It literally, the toothbrush makes it like all the hairs just stay down like that. And you want to get some on your forehead so like the lace doesn't keep flipping up throughout the night. Now the other side. Now you want to bring it forward. Lay it where you want. Oh yeah. Oh, forward. Oh, right there is perfect. Some people like getting a little bit of their hair, like their real hair, to show, so it looks more realistic. But since this is colored wig, I don't want my blonde hair to show. And now what I do is I take the rat tail part of the comb and I just like mend it on my head. Just like this. You want to make sure that the gel is sticking to the lace. There's a spot right here that it's not sticking, so I know it needs to put more glue. There. The shit better stay the fuck down. And check the other side. See? You have to make sure you put a lot of gel there because honestly, that's like the hardest part for this day. Okay. So now what you have to do is, what I like to do is grab some bobby pins, and because there is like a little flap right here and it's like hard for it to stay down, I like to put bobby pins here so like it won't move. You need to get a scarf, and it could be any kind of scarf. You need to fold it up. Then you need to tie it right there, because this will make sure that the lace is laid down correctly and cute. Okay, so I usually like leaving the scarf on for an hour. So it is 4:30 right now. Alright, so it's now 5:30, so I'm gonna go and take this scarf thingy off. Okay, that works too. So as you can see, this isn't, oh my god. That shit is not going anywhere. I'm gonna have so much fun taking this off. And since I don't like the middle part, I personally would like it. If you have a synthetic wig, you definitely need to get dry shampoo and then spray it on it, because with synthetic hair, obviously it's not real hair, so it has kind of like a shiny, like plasticky look to it because not real hair. So if you just spray some dry shampoo in that, it will make the shine go away. I'm also going to insert a before picture of my wig and an after picture to show you the difference, because it did not come like this at all. It was all the way down to my butt, and it was layered very oddly. I've never seen like anyone's hair look like that. It was like 3 layers, like top of my shoulders, mid back, and then my butt. It was really weird and I didn't like it. So fortunately I go to Paul Mitchell, the school, and I had one of my friends cut it for me. Like, she customized it so in the back now it looks like a diamond, and it's like only halfway to my back, which I like. But that's like with any wigs. I'm honestly not surprised that that happened, because when I ordered another wig from another website, it was so long, so thick, so I had one of my friends cut 10 inches off of it and also thin it. So when you receive a synthetic wig, it's not going to look good right out of the box. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. I hope this video helped you if you were trying to figure out how to put on a synthetic wig, lace front, or maybe you're just wondering how I put on a lace front. So yep, this is how I do it. Like and subscribe for more videos. Bye!